Good afternoon, folks. This is Sexiest Man Alive, Elon. Today is Thursday, January 27th, 2010. Alright, the time now is 4:13 p.m. And this is like the day after the storm. Now, I am coming late because I didn't go to work today, obviously. Let's go. Diablo, man. Good thing I didn't go to work. Shit. Wait, what's that over there? Is that a tree? I don't know if you can see it. It looks like a tree just fell because of the weight of the snow. Okay, well, I'm on my way to work right now. Holy crap, I remember this car. This car in front of me really got damaged because of the truck. If you guys been following me on youtube.com, if you look at Blizzard 2010 Part 3, I showed you the truck that I tried to help out. Now this truck damaged a couple of cars, and that car right there, the green one, that's right in front of this white one, that car really got damaged because of that truck. Alright, right now, winds are calm. You guys aren't gonna believe this, it's actually pretty warm out here. It's about 40 degrees right now. It's pretty shocking. And we just had a crazy snowstorm last night. Okay, well, I'm on my way to work right now. People trying to clean out their vehicles and stuff. Well, there's one improvement. The streets were actually shoveled this time. As you can see here, cars are actually getting through pretty easily right here. If you guys saw my video from December 26th to the 27th, we had to wait 4 days before our streets got shoveled. But the streets were actually shoveled. Sidewalks are shoveled too. This is pretty good. Now looking real closely over here, it looks like about a good foot fell last night. Last night was crazy. If you guys saw my previous video, NYC Blizzard 126.11 Part 1, if you haven't checked it out, you would have seen a little thunder happening. That is normal, folks. That storm we had was called thunder snow. Now thunder snow is very rare. See, I'm 22 years old, and this is the first time I've ever seen thunder snow here. We got kids playing in the snow. You know, you guys remember that? You guys already remember like how when we were little kids, how we used to love playing in the snow and all that? I'm a fan of snow, but now I'm even getting annoyed. This is the 5th snowstorm we had already. There's a possibility a 6th one is on the way. Let's look over here. Okay, see that guy right there? He's not crazy. He's trying to get the snow off his roof. I've seen roofs collapse under the weight of snow, people. So for those of you who own businesses or houses like that, you better try to get the damn snow off your roof, because you never know. One day it might collapse on you. Alright, well, you guys, it was crazy, man. There was very limited train service this morning. I know the Franklin Avenue shuttle is still out right now. The 2 and the 3, the 1, 2, and 3 lines are actually good again. The 6 train in the Bronx, there's no express service. There's normally express service around this time of day since it's a weekday, but there's no express service right now. And we still got delays on the B and D lines. DM is running right now. It's actually pretty good, but look at that. How the hell am I supposed to get through this? Oh, wait, here's the map. Man, this winch has been inactive on people. Remember 1993 and 1996. Well, I don't remember 93. I was only 4 years old when that one happened. I'm 22 now. So this is like 18 years later. But I do remember 96. 1996 was as bad as this. I think it was on the news that Broadway got so bombarded with snow that day, January 8th of 1986, that you can actually walk in the street. I'm talking about the one in Manhattan, not the one in, not the other ones, the one in Manhattan. All right, well, airing this to you live from Ridgewood, Queens. I'm pretty glad that I caught the thunder tsunami. That was very rare. Well, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get a cab to work. Almost the streets have been shoveled anyway. Should be good. Can't believe my transit crap is useless to me right now. Holy crap! Check this out. Gee, I wonder what caused this. I wonder if snow caused that. All right, well, guess I'm about to go. Okay, sexiest man alive, Eli, over and out.